Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 1609 State Route T. This is a great home, very well taken care of. If you are somebody looking for a lot of garage space or a workshop area, this is the home for you. It's a ranch style home, 3 bedrooms, and 2 of those bedrooms are primary suites where they have their own bathrooms. Also a total of 3 full bathrooms in this home. On the main level, you can see there's a 1-car garage, and then downstairs there are 2 more garages plus a workshop area as well, a storage shed. You're going to love the backyard. You feel like you're out in the country. Lots of privacy here, and it's just a great home. So sit back and enjoy the tour.